everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Becoming a ROS Developer. Today we have a presentation by one of our students, Ayman, who took our course ROS Basics in 5 days. So he's going to show us his final project for the course, in which he controls a real robot to follow a wall inside of an environment. So we'll see what he did for his projects, dividing in three main sections. So topic, subscription, and publication, and then the usage of services and actions in ROS. So hi, Ayman, how are you?
I am doing all right.
Great. So whenever you want, you can start sharing your screen and tell us about your project.
Okay, so I will share my screen. Okay, so hopefully you can see my screen.
Yes, we can see it.
And I'm reading the ranges to determine the wall distance in front of the robot and to the right of the robot. So, and based on that, I'm adjusting the behavior of the robot. At the beginning of the program, the robot will call a service that finds the wall. And once that service is finished or completed, then the robot is able to start following the wall. The robot will do about 1 lap around the circuit, and it will stop.
Okay.
Okay. So, let's go. So now I launched the main controller and the odometry, and now the robot is trying to find the wall.
Okay, so there it goes.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing some feedback on the terminal.
Yes.
What is that?
So I'm showcasing which case the robot in and the distance in front of the robot and to the right of the robot.
Okay, I also see like you're keeping track of how much the robot has moved.
Yes, so I'm using the action server to give feedback on the total distance moved so far.
Nice.
And
oh, that's a tight turn. That's nice.
yeah.
Oh, it looks like a little bit of a.
See, now it's stuttering for me. I can't. Now it got stuck in this turn and it got stuttered for a while and it couldn't. When it recovered, it was out of the correct place. So.
Oh, okay. So it looks like in the turn there was a little issue.
Yeah. But it made like this turn fine.
Yeah, it did. I saw that. Okay.
Yeah. So I
so
don't know.
Why don't we look at explain to us how you did the code, and then maybe we'll catch something that we can see or identify if there's something wrong with the robot, and we'll run it again by the end.
Okay.
You okay with that?
Yeah, sure. So this is the follower, initializing the publisher and subscriber, and the service and the action.
Okay, so you have everything in that class.
Yeah. No, I'm just initializing everything here.
Oh, okay.
Because this is the final. I integrated everything in this code.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is the action client method that I call to when the actions is called, this will execute they make the connection to the server and start recording the odometry. And inside this if it's not, then we call the I set a Boolean variable that follows the wall, just to follow the wall.
Mm-hmm.
And once the robot has completed one lab, I stop or I make this variable false, so the robot doesn't follow the wall. It stops the robot, and I publish the result of the action. So this is the action client method, and here I call these. This is the method to call the service find wall. So I use this before I start following the wall. So
Mm-hmm.
It initializes the goal and then calls this find wall function method. And so this is the code for the find wall call function. It's basically connecting to the service and making a service request and sending the request through the link.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the laser finder callback function. So I noticed that in the simulation, the length of the ranges variable is 180, and in the real robot, it's 720.
Yes.
So this is just basically to distinguish between simulation and real robot.
Oh, nice.
And so here, basically, I
Mm-hmm. Hello. Oh, I lost you, Ayman. Hello? Oh, seems like we have lost audio with Ayman. We'll give it a second. See if the connection reestablishes. Let's see. Maybe it's a setting with me. Maybe it's a setting with me. Hello. Can you hear me, Ayman? Can you hear me? Can you do a thumbs up if you can hear me? Hello. Can you hear me, Ayman? I don't think you can hear me either, Ayman. Don't worry, we'll edit this part out. Oh, you can't hear me? Okay. Let's see. All right, so it looks like we lost Ayman, so we're gonna go back to the streaming. So sorry about that, you guys.